how to change Gmail signature settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your signature in Gmail. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser, head over to your Gmail account and then go to the gear icon in the top right. Click on See All Settings. Now under the General tab, scroll down until you find the signature option. So if there is no signature, you can create new, or if there is an existing signature, you can tap on the pencil icon and edit it. And now whatever signature you want at the end of your email, you can put it right there. You can put in your name and then hit create. And then so like you can do this for a new email or like forward use. So you can just hit save changes and then your signature will be saved. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.